Okay, we're at the Rainforest Cafe, the big one, the world's largest Rainforest Cafe, right at the front door of Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. We eat here every single time we come. And today, Heather and I are both going to get Parmesan chicken. Some people call it chicken parm. And Casey's going to get
the shrimp platter. And instead of the vegetables, I'm going to get fries.
Okay.
But I may change my mind. So that's not official.
Lacey is studying hard. Okay, so Casey has changed her mind and now she's going with fish and chips instead of the shrimp. And they are still scheming on what to get for Miss Lacey.
What is that?
Okay, my daughter stole my phone.
I'm taking screenshots of the thing. You are struggling really hard.
Should she?
Wait, I gotta send these to myself.
Alright, Casey has the fish and chips. What do you think about it?
They look yummy and I need some ketchup for my fries.
She needs ketchup for her fries. Lacey has some crazy kind of soup. I'm not sure exactly what it is.
Jafari Jungles something.
And it has a bunch of things in it that you like, and those are
cheese.
Cheese is good.
Zucchini.
Yeah.
Spinach.
Okay.
Kidney beans. Something like that.
All right, good deal. Heather and I both have chicken parmesan with. Look at all the. I don't remember that much Parmesan cheese on top of it last year.
I don't either.
But I do remember 2 big pieces of chicken and that bread that I'll be eating all of.
No, you won't.
And there's mine. Casey, have you tried your fish yet?
Yeah.
How is it?
Really good.
Okay. Lacey has a spoon. Have you had any fish? I mean soup? That's not. What's the story? Is it got cheese and spinach? Okay. So is it different or the same as last year?
Same.
Same? All right. Let's see. Casey has another comment about her fish and chips, which is basically batter fried fish.
All right, gang, how's everything?
Everything is really good. We're enjoying it. So tell me about your fish.
So, these are great. I think they're better than the ones at the Britain Pavilion because they're not as greasy and it just tastes better to me.
Okay, so they're better than the ones at Epcot's Great Britain Pavilion where fish and chips is the thing because they are less greasy. Very good. They do look nice.
Here. I already finished one.
Really? A whole fish?
Yeah.
Okay, Casey. You only ate half of your fish. Was it volcano? So you only ate half of your fish.
Yeah.
Was it good or are you just full?
It was good. I just got full.
Okay.
They were really big pieces of fish.
Okay, you didn't eat any of your soup. All you did was put toilet paper in it.
I ate all my soup. And then I put soup.
Okay, all the soup is gone. Good job. Holy cow, you've never finished your chicken parmesan.
I did it last October when you threatened to eat it.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, I ate all my chicken parm and a lot of Casey's soup.
Fish? You said soup.
Soup fish. Okay, we're gonna cut that out. Okay, I ate all of my chicken parm and a lot of Casey's fish. This little piece right here I can't quite finish, but I had a piece and a half, a full piece and a half. So I think we think it's good. I think it's good. Do you think it's good?
I'm kidding. I was crossing my fingers.
It is 9:46. The park closed at 8. We got in line at 7:20 for Flight of Passage and we're just now getting off. But it was still worth it. Let's go home.
Buses.
Okay, well we should get on them. Good night.